If you want to examine dense regular connective tissue, you can use a section of the ligamentum nuchae. Um, it is regular because the direction of the fibers is going in one direction. So these are still your collagen fibers, but they look somewhat different from your ordinary tendon. In this case, your elastic ligament would have a branching pattern because the spaces in between is actually filled up with elastic fibers. But in this type of staining, they are not visible. So just imagine that the white spaces are supposedly filled up with your elastic fibers. So these elastic fibers combined with your collagen fibers make the ligamentum nuchae elastic. Okay?